Day 14, describing daily routines. Welcome to day 14 of our Learn English in 30 Days series. Today, we will learn how to describe your daily schedule and routines in English. From waking up in the morning to going to bed at night, this lesson will help you express your daily activities confidently. Vocabulary for daily routines. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Get up, to get out of bed. Brush teeth. Clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Take a shower. Clean your body with water. Have breakfast. Eat the first meal of the day. Go to work, school. Travel to your workplace or school. Have lunch. Eat your midday meal. Relax, take a break or rest, do chores, complete tasks like cleaning or laundry, have dinner, eat your evening meal. Go to bed. Prepare to sleep at night. Sentences for practical use. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. After breakfast, I go to work by bus. I usually take a shower before bed. On weekends, I relax. I have dinner with my family at 7 p.m. I brush my teeth twice a day. Do you exercise in the morning or evening? I go to bed at 10 p.m. every night. Speaking practice. Common questions and answers. What time do you wake up every day? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I go for a jog every morning. What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have toast and coffee. When do you go to bed? I go to bed around 10 p.m. Practical conversation. Example, situation. Two friends discussing their daily routines. Lily, hi Sam, how's your day going? Sam, it's good, Lily. I had a busy morning. What about you? Lily, same here. What's your usual daily routine like? Sam, well, I wake up at 6:30 a.m., brush my teeth, and then go for a run. After that, I take a shower and have breakfast. Lily, that sounds refreshing. What do you usually have for breakfast? Sam, I keep it simple. Eggs, toast, and coffee. What about your mornings? Lily, I wake up a little later, around 7:30 a.m. I have tea and some fruits before getting ready for work. Sam, that's nice. What's your day like after breakfast? Lily, I head to work around 8:30 a.m. During lunch, I usually eat with my colleagues. What about you? Sam, I work from home, so I have lunch at 1 p.m., and then I relax for a while before continuing work. Lily, that's convenient. What do you do after work? Sam, I usually do some chores or go to the gym. Then I have dinner around 7:30 p.m. Lily, sounds productive. I usually read a book or go after dinner. Sam, nice. I try to go to bed by 10 p.m. to stay consistent. Lily, same here. A good night's sleep makes all the difference. Sam, it sounds like we both have well-organized routines. By the way, do you ever feel like changing things up? Lily, sometimes, yes. I've been thinking of starting a morning workout routine. Do you feel it helps? Sam, absolutely. It energizes me for the rest of the day. Even a 20-minute stretch or yoga session can make a big difference. Lily, that sounds great. I might try that. What about weekends? Do you follow the same schedule? Sam, Not exactly. On weekends, I let myself sleep in until 8 a.m. After breakfast, I usually do something relaxing, like gardening or reading. Lily, that's nice. My weekends are a bit busier. I usually run errands or meet friends. Do you have a favorite weekend activity? Sam, I love hiking. It helps me disconnect from the routine and enjoy nature. What about you? Lily, I enjoy cooking. I like trying out new recipes when I have more time. Last weekend I made homemade pasta. Sam, that sounds delicious. I've always wanted to try making pasta. Maybe you can teach me someday. Lily, sure, and maybe you can take me hiking in return. Sam, deal. By the way, do you plan your day in advance, or do you just go with the flow? Lily, I usually write a to-do list the night before. It helps me stay on track. How about you? Sam, same here, but I try to keep it flexible in case unexpected things come up. Lily, that's smart. Well, it's always nice to hear about how others manage their routines. I think I'll take some tips from you. Sam, likewise, let's catch up again soon and share how our routines have improved. That is for Day 14th, Part 1. You've learned how to describe daily routines and talk about your schedule. Now it's time to practice. In Day 14th, Part 2, you have learned listening practice. Story, Anna's Busy Day, about Anna's daily life routine. So stay tuned and watch tomorrow Part 2 of this lesson. Tell us about your daily routine in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Fun for more fun and practical English lessons. See you tomorrow for Part 2.